So this week's word of the week for week number 18 is force. Now I'm talking about force as a movement, not may the force be with you. No, not that type of force, okay? So now force is a push or pull of an object. A force can cause an object to accelerate, which means move forward or go faster. Slow down, it can pull it back. Or it can actually put the forces together and keep it in place, all right? So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 18 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have in and outs. Exercise number 2, we have squats. Number 3, rope climbs. And number 4, we have tires. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 18. Exercise number 1 is in and out. So we're gonna start with our feet shoulder width apart. Our shoulders and our feet should be lined up like we're in a box. And we're gonna go in with our feet and then out. In and out. That's why I call this in and out. So that's exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, we're gonna go with our feet shoulder width apart once again. And we're gonna do squats. We're gonna drop our bottoms as low as we can go. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and turn to the side angle. Now when we go low, I don't want to see you guys hunch over like this with your bottom sticking out. Make sure you are dropping your bottom like you're in a chair, okay? So that's number 2 is squats. Number 3, we're gonna go on down to the floor and we're gonna do rope climbs. So what we're gonna do is be completely on our backs. Our legs are gonna go straight up in the air. And then what we're gonna do is get our right hand to touch our left hand to touch our right foot. So it looks like this. And we're gonna go across our back, kind of like you guys are climbing a rope. And last one, we have tires. So we're gonna pretend we have tires. If you guys have ever ran through tires, you go side to side like this. So we're gonna pretend we have 3 sets. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn around. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep going back and forth. If you guys want to put some tape on the floor, if you want to draw some circles or have some paper plates, those are all options as well. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 18, and we'll get started in just a moment. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. In and out. Okay. Open and close. Open and close. In and out. Let's go. You want to jump yourself? You want to stay on your toes the whole time? You can slow down. Step it up. That's something you can slow. Whatever works for you, my friends. In close. In and out. Alright, we're going on squats in 3, 2, 1, and go. Squats and drop down low. As low as you can go. Remember, pretend there's a chair behind you. Good job. Don't forget work, my friends. Remember the motto. Just finish. Don't quit. Just finish. Rope climbs coming up soon. Alright, going down. Count it off. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Rope climbs. Remember, across your leg. Climb that rope. All right, let's go. Tires. We're gonna go 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 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 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Great job. Notice that, chopping my arms. Make it a little more dynamic. All right, great job. 1 minute rest, 1 minute rest. Okay. Woo! That's really good. Here, you gotta get some water. If you guys are enjoying this workout, make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the channel. We are on Fast 5, number 18, 17 live videos for you guys to check out. Make sure you guys check out 1 through 17. And if you guys have been doing every single Fast 5, drop a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite one, why, what was your most challenging Fast 5 workout, and why as well. Got 20 seconds left, my friends. Again, we're starting over. Back up top, we got those in and outs. I'm not talking about the burger crawl. No, we're here to work out, get it together. So, again, number 1, in and out. 7 seconds left. Great job. Remember, whenever you do anything in life, just finish, all right? That's the motto. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. In and out. Good, just open and close. Great job. Don't give up. Just finish, my friends. Okay, breathing. In and out. Deep breath in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Good job. 5 more seconds. We got squats. Push yourself harder. Here we go. Push over the butt and go. Start to lower. How low can you go, my friends? Good job. Let's go. Can you go lower than me? Drop your helmet down below. All right, both times. Let's go. On your backs. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, last one. Tires. We're on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. Good job. Turn around, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need to walk out, that's okay. 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go at your own pace. Do your best. On your toes. All you got, let's go. And time, my friends. Great job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. All right, great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 18. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was your favorite exercise? What was your least favorite exercise? Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you guys high five that subscribe button and high five that bell notification so you guys don't miss any of our upcoming videos and activities. All right, so today's do-it-yourself activity is called Badminton. Now, we're doing a do-it-yourself, which means we're going to use household items to play this game. If you guys have a birdie available, great. If you guys have a racket, wonderful. If you don't, we're going to show you guys different ways to build your own racket, as well as using your own birdie to play this activity. So we're going to do two different variations of it. One will be with equipment, two will be with non-traditional equipment, just so you guys have an opportunity to play this at home. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for the first level, what we're going to do is we're going to use our created racket. And the way we did that is we used a paper plate. Backside, we used a spatula or a spoon with some tape, and voila, you got your own racket, okay? We're going to use a birdie that we did purchase at the 99-cent store. If you guys have a Dollar Tree or any type of 99-cent store, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. All right, so stay tuned and we'll demonstrate the activity in just a moment. All right, so I have our setup behind us, how we're going to do our do-it-yourself badminton. So we made our own badminton, our volleyball net. The way we did, we have our two chairs. We got a pole from a broom, and then we used some pool noodles to stick in the handles, so it made it even longer. Added a sheet on top, and voila, you got yourself a do-it-yourself volleyball net / badminton net. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, so Jordan and I are gonna go and use our handmade badminton rackets as well as a birdie, and we're gonna go the best of 5. Whoever gets 5 points first wins this activity, okay? So make sure you guys stay low, feet shoulders apart, so you're ready to attack and be able to move and maneuver quickly. Ready? Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, you back over that. I get 1 point. Score is 1-0. 2-0. Up. All right. 2-1. 4-1. All right, first round is over. First match is over. I win that one. So we're going to go and switch sides. All right, here we go. Match number 2. Jordan's up. All right, here we go. Round 3. All right, 1-0 Jordan. 2-0. I'm gonna get back to you. Still there. Oh, still up, still up. Up. 2-0. 2-1. All right, 2-2. 3-2. That's why you don't get fancy. 4-2. 4-3. And 5. All right, so let's say you guys don't have any paper plates available and you don't have a racket. That's fine. You guys have hands. So definitely this next game, we're gonna use only our hands and our sock ball. So our hands are gonna be our rackets, and we're gonna have to knock it over our volleyball net. All right, here we go. With our hands only. Ready, go. All right, 1-0 Jordan. 2-0. All right, 2-1. Oh, I got 2-1. Remember, if it hits the floor, oh, 3-1. Up, 4-1. 4-2. This Garcia has a comeback. Oh, 4-3. All right, so it's 4-3 in this hand badminton game. Now, my question to you is, if you think I'm gonna win and have a comeback, drop a comment below. If you think Jordan's gonna win, make sure you like this video. All right, that's 5. All right, switch. Ready? All right, 1-0 me. 2-0. Oh, 2-1, Jordan. All right, oh. That's 3-2. 3-3. Oh, 4-3 with a spike. And 5. Jordan takes round 2. Go. Going down the bounce. 1-0 me. 2-0 me. Oh, 2-1. 3-1. 4-1. Cheer me on. Drop a comment below. Oh, it's 4-2. 4-3. 4-4. And 5. I did it. Thank you guys for cheering me on. I appreciate that. Drop that comment below. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of do-it-yourself badminton. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And please comment below. Let us know, what was your favorite part of the activity? Did you guys enjoy using the hand? What other ways can you be creative and create your own badminton rackets or badminton birdies? So, as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.